This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: license, SAML or SSO config, and admin credentials. Log into your GitHub Enterprise instance as an admin and make sure your workstation has Git and Git LFS installed. Next, create the organization you'll use for projects. Invite at least one owner and a handful of members so permissions can be tested. Once done, set your Git global name and email locally and push a tiny repo to confirm authentication. This first step gets the foundation right and prevents access delays. Now you create repositories from templates and enable branch protection rules to enforce quality. You'll configure required status checks and add a code owner's file so reviews route to the right people. This helps velocity while keeping standards high. Make sure pull request templates and labels match your workflow. Then define environments and add repository or organization secrets, and provision self-hosted actions runners if builds need special hardware. Once configured, run a sample pipeline to validate settings and catch permission gaps early. Finish by auditing permissions, enabling backups and replication, and executing a disaster recovery drill so you know recovery steps. Train teams on the pull request, branching, and release workflows. Run a dry run release to exercise CI, secrets, and deploy steps. After deployment, monitor logs and actions runs for errors. If something breaks, first check token scopes and personal access token expiration, then verify SSO session length and repository visibility. That single troubleshooting tip will resolve most access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.